Let's begin today's topic, movements of the earth. Planets of the solar system are always in motion. They have two types of motions. First, rotation, and second, revolution. They spin on their own axis, that is called rotation, and they go around the sun in their orbits, that is called revolution. The earth is also a planet, and therefore it also has the same kind of movements, that is rotation and revolution. So now let's see rotation. The earth spins on its axis from west to east once in 24 hours, and this movement is called rotation. The part of the earth which faces the sun is lighted up and we call it day. On the other hand, the part of the earth which is away from the sun and there is a darkness, and we say it night. The rotation causes day and night. Also it causes the direction of the flow of ocean current and also the direction of the wind, and rotation also causes tides. Now, what are tides? The tides are the rise and fall of the sea levels twice a day. The ocean is constantly moving from high tide to low tide and then back to high tide. There are about 12 hours and 25 minutes between the two tides. In the places located on the east, the sun appears first than the places in the west. Thus, as you can see here, the Japan is called the land of the rising sun. Let's try to understand revolution. Apart from rotating on its axis, the earth also moves around the sun. And this movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The path on which the earth moves is called orbit. And this path is not circular but egg-shaped or elliptical. The earth takes 365 and 4.5 days to go around the sun. This is called the solar year. But in our calendars, a year has only 365 days. We leave the fraction 1/4. And in 4 years, one complete day is added to that particular year in February, and it becomes in February 29 days. And this year is called a leap year. And in this year, there are 366 days. That's all for today. Thank you.